Most men think fruit is always good for you. Colorful, natural, packed with vitamins. But here's the truth that might shock you. Some fruits quietly destroy your testosterone, draining your energy, your focus, and even your performance, while others can rebuild it faster than you think. In today's video, we'll break down what urologists and men's health researchers are discovering about fruit, hormones, and aging vitality. If you care about confidence, strength, and real sexual health, this might be the most eye-opening 2 minutes you watch today. Before we move any further, let's take a closer look at something most men never think about: the fruits that can quietly work against your hormones. 8 fruits that quietly destroy testosterone. Let's begin with the first one: bananas and the hidden sugar spike. Bananas look harmless, convenient, tasty, and full of potassium. But for men over 40, they can quietly sabotage your hormones. A single large banana packs up to 30 grams of sugar, enough to trigger a quick insulin surge. And when insulin stays high, testosterone drops. That's because insulin resistance interferes with the body's ability to use testosterone efficiently, while also encouraging fat storage around the belly, the area most linked to low T. This doesn't mean you must give up bananas entirely. The key is control. Choose smaller, slightly green bananas. They contain more resistant starch and less sugar. And always eat them with some healthy fat, like almonds or yogurt. That simple combo slows digestion, flattens the insulin curve, and protects your testosterone. Moving on to the second fruit: dried fruits, the sugar trap in disguise. Raisins, dates, figs, dried apricots. They sound healthy, right? The problem is concentration. When you dry fruit, you remove water but keep all the sugar. A handful of dates can hit you with the same sugar load as a can of soda. That spike sends insulin soaring, inflammation rising, and testosterone crashing. Over time, this sugar overload trains your body to store fat instead of burn it. And more fat means more aromatase, the enzyme that converts testosterone into estrogen. If you crave something sweet, reach for fresh fruit instead. The fiber and water in whole fruit slow sugar absorption, keeping your blood glucose steady and your hormones balanced. Sweet isn't always safe, especially when your goal is high testosterone and steady energy. Next, let's talk about grapes and grape juice, the fructose bomb. Grapes look elegant, but when it comes to testosterone, they can work against you. The issue isn't just sugar, it's fructose concentration. A single glass of grape juice contains 35 grams of sugar stripped of fiber and nutrients. That creates a perfect storm for insulin spikes and belly fat, where aromatase enzymes thrive. Aromatase turns testosterone into estrogen, reversing your hormonal advantage. Whole grapes in moderation are fine, especially darker ones with resveratrol, but juice is a different story. When you drink it, you lose the natural buffer that fiber provides. If you want antioxidants, eat berries instead. They give you the same benefits without wrecking your hormonal balance. Now let's move to the fourth item: soy-based snacks and the estrogen effect. Soy-based foods, edamame, soy bars, protein shakes are popular healthy snacks, but they contain phytoestrogens, plant compounds that mimic estrogen in the body. For men with already low testosterone, high soy intake can push the balance further toward estrogen dominance. Studies link long-term, high-volume soy consumption with reduced free testosterone and decreased sperm quality. You don't need to cut soy completely. The key is moderation and form. Fermented soy, like tempeh or miso, changes the structure of isoflavones, making them less likely to interfere with hormone receptors. Think of soy as a condiment, not a main course, because too much of this healthy food could mean less testosterone, less energy, and less confidence. Next up is pineapple. The sweet illusion. Pineapple feels like a tropical boost, but for your hormones, it's a sugary setback. 1 cup holds nearly 17 grams of sugar, and when eaten alone, it floods your bloodstream with fructose. That triggers an insulin surge, inflammation, and the same hormonal stress that slows testosterone production. Yes, pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that may help with inflammation, but the sugar spike cancels that benefit out. The fix? Treat pineapple like dessert, not breakfast. Pair it with protein or fats, or eat it occasionally, not daily. Keeping your blood sugar steady is one of the simplest ways to protect testosterone and overall vitality. After that, we come to overripe mango, the hidden fructose bomb. The sweeter and softer the mango, the higher the sugar load. Overripe mangoes are full of fructose, which pushes your body into insulin overdrive and fat storage mode. That extra fat fuels aromatase activity, the enzyme that literally turns testosterone into estrogen. If you love mangoes, there's a smarter way to enjoy them. Choose firm, just ripe ones and combine them with a handful of nuts or seeds. This slows sugar absorption and keeps your blood sugar balanced. Remember, even natural sugar can hurt your hormones when portion and timing are ignored. Now let's look at the seventh item, canned fruits and packaged juices, the chemical trap. Canned fruits and boxed juices may look healthy on labels, but inside they're loaded with syrups, preservatives, and concentrated sugar. Even 100% natural juice spikes insulin and increases estrogenic activity in fat tissue. Over time, these sugar hits dull your metabolism, reduce energy, and suppress testosterone. If you truly want the benefits of fruit, eat it whole and fresh. Real nutrients don't come with a barcode. The less processed your food, the stronger your hormone balance stays. And finally, the eighth testosterone killer, waxed or pesticide-coated apples, the silent hormone disruptor. Apples are often called nature's perfect snacks, but modern farming changed that. Many store-bought apples are coated with synthetic wax and pesticide residues containing endocrine-disrupting chemicals. These compounds mimic estrogen and interfere with testosterone receptors. Over time, they lower free testosterone and affect thyroid health. The solution is simple. Buy organic whenever possible, or wash apples thoroughly with baking soda and water to remove residue. Testosterone thrives in a clean system and not one constantly exposed to hidden chemicals. Protecting your hormones starts with protecting your food choices. Now let's move into a much more important part, the fruits that actually help your body rebuild testosterone in a natural, powerful way. These next 8 fruits don't just taste great, they fight back. They help your body produce more testosterone naturally. No pills, no gimmicks, just science and smart nutrition. Let's jump in. Let's begin with the first one, a pomegranate, the ancient symbol of vitality. For centuries, pomegranates have been a symbol of fertility and strength, and science now explains the deep red seeds are packed with antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress, one of the key enemies of testosterone. Studies show that men who regularly drink pure pomegranate juice can experience higher testosterone levels and improved blood flow. Pomegranate also lowers cortisol, the stress hormone that directly competes with testosterone for dominance. When cortisol drops, testosterone rises naturally. Drink 2 to 3 ounces of unsweetened pomegranate juice a few times per week or eat the fresh seeds. Think of it as fuel for circulation, stamina, and confidence, the natural upgrade your body's been waiting for. Next on the list are citrus fruits, vitamin C for hormone balance. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are more than just immune boosters. Their high vitamin C content helps lower cortisol and supports the adrenal glands, the very organs that help regulate testosterone. Vitamin C also protects nitric oxide pathways, which enhance blood circulation and performance. The secret? Eat the whole fruit instead of just drinking the juice. The fiber in whole citrus keeps your blood sugar steady and prevents insulin spikes that could lower testosterone. Start your morning with half a grapefruit or an orange with your breakfast. It's a simple daily ritual that supports hormone balance, sharper focus, and cleaner energy. Moving on, we have avocado, the hormone builder. Technically a fruit, avocado is a powerhouse for men's hormone health. It's loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats, magnesium, and vitamin B6, the exact nutrients your body uses to create testosterone. Those fats serve as the raw materials for hormone synthesis, while magnesium keeps testosterone free and active in your bloodstream instead of being bound up by SHBG. Avocado also contains boron, a mineral linked to higher testosterone and improved cognitive function. Add half an avocado to your daily meals, on toast, in a salad, or as a smoothie base. Your energy, mood, and performance will thank you. Next are berries, the natural anti-inflammatory shield. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries may be small, but they're testosterone-friendly giants. Packed with flavonoids and antioxidants, they fight inflammation and one of the silent killers of hormone production. Chronic inflammation damages Leydig cells in the testes, which are responsible for producing testosterone. The compounds in berries also improve vascular function, meaning better blood flow and performance. The best part? They're low in sugar and won't cause insulin spikes. Add a handful of mixed berries to your breakfast or blend them into a post-workout shake. Over time, you'll notice better stamina, focus, and mood stability, the quiet signs of balanced hormones. Then we have watermelon, the natural circulation booster. Watermelon is more than a summer treat. It's one of nature's best nitric oxide boosters. It contains an amino acid called citrulline, which helps dilate blood vessels and improve blood flow throughout the body, including where it matters most. Better circulation means better oxygen delivery, muscle recovery, and performance. Watermelon also keeps you hydrated and supports kidney function, indirectly helping testosterone production. Enjoy it fresh or as juice, just make sure it's pure without added sugar. A few slices a day can help you feel more energized, confident, and ready to take on anything. Next, let's talk about guava, the overlooked power fruit. Guava doesn't get the spotlight it deserves, but it's loaded with vitamin C, lycopene, and antioxidants that protect testosterone-producing cells from oxidative stress. It also contains small amounts of zinc, a mineral essential for sperm health and hormone balance. Unlike sugary tropical fruits, guava has a low glycemic index, meaning it won't spike your blood sugar. That makes it perfect for men watching their weight and hormone balance. Eat it fresh, skin and all, or blend it into a smoothie. With consistent intake, guava supports strong immunity, smooth circulation, and steady testosterone levels. Now we come to mango, the balanced choice. Yes, mango made the destroy list when overripe, but in moderation, just ripe mangoes can be powerful allies. They provide vitamin E, magnesium, and antioxidants that help regulate hormone production and fight oxidative stress. The key is portion control and pairing. Combine mango with protein or fats, such as yogurt or nuts, to balance sugar release. This way, you can enjoy the flavor of mango without the crash, giving your body the nutrients it needs to rebuild testosterone naturally. And finally, we have pear, the gentle regulator. Often overlooked, pears are rich in boron, a trace mineral proven to raise free testosterone by reducing SHBG binding. They also contain fiber that supports gut health, an underrated factor in hormone balance. A healthy gut improves nutrient absorption and helps clear excess estrogen from the body. Pears are low in fructose, easy to digest, and perfect for men who want steady energy without sugar swings. Eat them fresh or pair slices with citrus for an antioxidant combo that supports your hormones and your metabolism at the same time. So there you have it. 8 fruits that quietly destroy testosterone and 8 that help rebuild it naturally. Remember, your hormones don't respond to hype. They respond to habits. Eat smart, move daily, manage stress, and your body will do the rest.